How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. To check that, open your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app TikTok. After TikTok app appears, you will see the option of open or update. If you see the option of update, just click on it and update your TikTok app to its latest version. Once you update your TikTok app, your problem might be fixed. You can go and check. For that, open your TikTok app. Click on this plus icon. With that, your camera will open up. Over here, you will find timer options. Along with that, you will see the option of photo. Just click on it and now you are able to use photo mode. But still this feature is not available. What you can do is head towards your profile. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Go to the option settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option report a problem. Scroll down and head towards the option account and profile. Click on the option profile page. Scroll down and click on this option of other. Is your problem resolved? Click on no. Click on need more help. Now over here you can explain about your problem. If you have no idea how to explain it, you can just explain in the similar way as I have done it. Once you explain it, click on the option of submit. Once you submit the report, your problem will be fixed. Applying these processes, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.